In today's video, we are going to learn quick and delicious crispy rice pakoda which can be made in 5 minutes, and it's my favorite go-to recipe for instant evening snacks any day. Hello and welcome to manocooks. I'm your Mano and let's get started. For this, let's take a bowl and to that add 1 cup rice flour. After that, let's add 3 tablespoons maida or all-purpose flour to that. Next, let's add red chilli powder followed by 1 small onion chopped. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger. To that, I am adding 4 green chilies chopped. Adjust green chilies according to your spice level. Next, add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves followed by half cup curd or yogurt, and finally salt required for this recipe along with a pinch of baking soda or cooking soda. Now let's add water little at a time and make this into a dropping consistency batter. For this totally I have added half cup to 3/4 cup water. So make sure to add water little at a time and mix it in, and then add little water to bring it to the right consistency. So as you see, we have mixed everything right now and the batter should be of dropping consistency. Now that our batter is ready, let's keep this aside and let's heat oil on medium flame to fry this pakoda. Once oil is hot, take small portion of the mix and pinch small balls in oil, and let's cook this for few minutes until they are cooked and crispy. Once they are done, let's take them out in a plate lined with tissue paper. Now repeat the same with the remaining batter too. You can see how crispy, crunchy and golden they are. This is the best evening snack for kids with rice flour. Now repeat the same with the remaining batter too. Quick tip here, different rice flour needs different amount of water, so make sure to add water little at a time and mix to bring to dropping consistency. Tip number 2, if you think your batter is loose, then go ahead and add 1 tablespoon rice flour and mix it and start dropping them in oil. Enjoy making this rice pakoda anytime at your home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to manocooks to watch more such recipes. And click on any of the video on the screen to watch them right now. Thanks a lot for watching.